It's your girl Nash. Ladies, do you know you can make money using 1xbet? Yes, you can. Just download 1xbet app from Play Store or App Store. After downloading it, register with the promo code VISION2020. Make a deposit and get 200% bonus for free and start making money on your bet. Wait, is it La Liga, Champions League, Premier League?
Wow! Guess what? I just won 7,000 Ghana cedis with 1xbet. 1xbet from your chat. 1xbet is second to now. Let's say my boys. 1xbet, just check it out. Just check it out.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
K in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Brady, and one paid your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure, him caught on strong man best strength. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open now for 70 hours by a lesbian. Fraud boys P, no boy, or back class hour, depends on what seen to the bank. More in break, and Satania about P240. Peer pressure, if you rose one can't see me never found, yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became Mojago for the council, trying to 7 flags, I know what the other. Sugar mama phone, you date or no, didn't come out, what you're saying, yeah, my papa.
We'll be any fear, free me to a baby, I do too. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear, free me to a baby, I do too. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, a before, peer pressure before. A before, peer pressure before. A before, peer pressure before. A before, peer pressure before.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
We'll be any fear, free me to a baby, I do too. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear, free me to a baby, I do too. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, a before, peer pressure before. 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 Peer pressure. Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
I feel so fly when I try that thing that make them say alright. I feel so fly in my mind. So would you help me sing alright?
Going all the way, yeah. I feel like I could jump up and touch the stars. Feeling so great, yeah. I feel like I could fly all the way to Mars.
I'm feeling so hey, okay, let me say, we sipping on something that you probably wanna taste, okay, in your face, we about to set the pace, just pop a bottle, we gon' take it to a better place.
I'm feeling alright.
When family and friends love me and do all they can to make me smile.
I'm feeling alright.
So cool, so hip, with the swag, it makes me fly.
I feel so fly when I try that thing that make them say alright. I feel so fly in my mind. So would you help me say
Come in. Good morning, my friend. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. Please, these are your assignments.
Okay. Here we go. You are not so fast. Who is that boy you are
Keeping a boy in my mouth.
Yes, you are keeping something.
Please, sir, there is no boy I'm keeping in my mouth.
Could you guys imagine the news in town? Hey! Shula the telephone wire. What is it again?
You know, the government in power is doing marvelously well. Oh yeah? Do you know the former ones yet to be admitted are paying nothing? I mean nothing. Not a kobo.
So then why is it taking you so long to accept my proposal? Because you know you wouldn't have won this contest. I had to find my way and put in more vote for you. And now, today, you are the guest prefect. It's because I love you. It's because I like you very much. Why are you doing this to me?
Operation Fear Teachers is really working, guys.
Like seriously?
Yeah.
Like damn. Thought you guys are gonna say something higher than this. That the government bought all the 9 planets. But now when you get to wrap this.
Princess!
Hey, excuse you.
This is really a good thing the government have implemented. And it's going to help parents who don't have money to cater for their children. Like I can.
Sir, please. I don't know what you're talking about.
You know.
And besides, you are married. You have a wife. Please, I can't do that.
Your wife thinks something. You know I like you.
Guys, I think it's time for Brian. Let's go.
Really?
Hey guys, have you ever in your lifetime eaten Chelsea dried rice before? Don't worry, girlfriends, get in there and eat. I'm not coming with you because I don't eat sad foods, okay? Take care, by the way. I have some pizza inside. I'm gonna get it myself. For you. Energy. Ouch. Oh.
Sir, please, I have a class. I beg to take my leave.
I feel so fly when I try.
Hey, good morning, Iyke. How are you?
Please, I'm fine, thank you.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes.
Very well. Please call me the dining hall.
Okay.
Right.
Going all the way, yeah. Feel like I could jump up and touch the stars. Feeling so great, yeah. I feel like I could.
Good day, Mama. Yo. Sir. How are you? I'm good. Why? Were you in class? I gave them some assignments. I'm about to mark my you know what? The guest professor wrote. Yeah. Let's go. I saw you, Charlie. Managing so small.
That thing that make him say alright. I feel so fly in my mind. So would you help me sing alright? Going all the way, yeah. I feel like I could jump up and touch the stars. Feeling so great, yeah. I feel like I could fly all the way to Mars. Going all the way, yeah. I feel like I could jump up and touch the stars. Feeling so great, yeah. I feel like I could fly all the way.
Alonso. Boy. I never be happy. I never be happy, to be honest. Boy, and say, how? The public must tenacity from a Maria Chin boy. They'll be controlling Subebanswa. Yeah, be 300, 200. 250. The last time at their company, the last time they did come 170 Ghana.
I'm down with you for the day. Now, guess what? Write down the names of the people who were not present in my class. Let me have an office. I am surprised. You are your 3rd year. Am I supposed to beg you before you learn? This is total outrageous. How come? Why?
Boy, na my can't check. Let's see, I'm a butcher at Sana Bonibi. Peter Smith. Boy, no do not my book confirm my 50,000 boy. 500 million Jack. Within the year, Boni, Mr. Kochatin, I'll call you back. I'm at work. Charlie. Slow boy.
Boy, I'm fat. I know what dinner. You see you here. What remember? man.
If you don't discipline yourself, how would you discipline yourself? I'm telling you. Regardless, the final year is time. The exams is on the way. We need to see. Especially Andrews and then his guys, those rats.
The way I name it Emboa cry. See, no, when some sauce dish, meaning a 100% trying to kill the idea. You because some information we are here, bonnet, dear boy. Yet, we found Cobalt Champions League. They watch it. See, yeah, intimate courses. Interschools so abo. If you cry, send a professionally to me, let you see me not to me. Oh, you think visiting the other schools in the boy. Is it?
Yeah, well, I'll see you.
Come.
Shut up, you're making noise. Talking. Can you dress like that? Shut up, class. Hurry up.
I said this thing. Shut this thing away from. Kiss today away from boy.
Hey. One to the team, I'm fraud over and say, oh, then again, I know Bruma, your friend say, high spirit, no. Or then again, good boy. Woman to me. I'm seeing crab brains about boy and too much. About that area. Hey, boy, but me them crack keys 99 lost about no key cran any day. I was so sad to me. The gun was so 1,000K. Then why were you not in my class today?
Sir, the headmaster needed some 3 wise men to read the pamphlet and we were choosing. Yes, sir. We were choosing.
So, you guys are the 3 wise men.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are fools. And who is your leader? You're also a big fool. What? Say me na dem person and say, "Keep see kwa na kidi di boy na dwiri mu." Say me who ne your friend say, "Dan the high spirit no, omutuma breki." O to play di na dwuma na ke twene ba ye ho. Boy, you nya twene ba de no ano no. Boy, Ghana has papi o. Oh, twene me. The gun way for Kim. Hey, Ukrajini. The headmaster will never allow you to go with his farm. Once you know you people have class with me. Why?
Sir, please. It's true. Yes, please. Sir, it's true.
Are you sure of yourself?
Yes, please.
Vividly sure?
Yes, please.
Are you sure?
Yes, please.
All right.
I want to tell him to do pow. Don't come up with career. I don't know Piscasa.
Oh, can we hear them? We are commerce on the media. Oh, that's all better day. Boy, Mamma Cousin show school na Yabana. At long last, we are finally is scanning in a year. How? It is CNS, shall see a building. Oh, one of my cousins is all I want to say. When you come in Spider B, and I want you see 350. Now, boy. Okay, forget it. Life on a day, boy, you live it good. Then follow me so he confirms it himself. Hurry, follow me. Shut up and then follow me. Hurry up.
Oh, Pisca. I read you.
And I also be pair condoms. My boy. I also be pair boy. Boy, good day now no. You see the enormous and the near five.
We need 2 boys. We need 2 pounds.
So, the enormous and near 5. It's a school, you must school who say, K, there be.
I feel so fly when I try that thing that make them say alright. I feel so fly.
Yeah, top of our matters. What does it?
I know you are more loud about it. Men down, my kind of good. But not for my family, I don't know what to do.
And only my main to me, I had no control boy. So, Tilibisi and wrong. So, boy, Gobeno, Kaja, you see more mamma.
Boy,
never saying, Cadian uncle. Hey, no, Sashi, no, Sakalan.
Boy, Kalama can ask him, I see that bro. Iba.
I don't so. Hello, am I in Puno? Hey, why have a chocolate once I know governing 2 money, that's oh, sure.
So you boys, you cannot use my name in vain. Why did I order you to weed my farm?
Master, we were just passing around and we saw some unwanted weeds around, so we decided to weed it.
Yeah, let's say unwanted weeds, so we decided.
Hello, baby, what's up? Oh, sorry.
Because when you say school, how you be a check you? I mean, check you.
Oh, I'm flattered. Baby, do you know something? I'm the hottest chick on campus. And after I'm bored, you can't you see everything on point?
And only you know, and I'm more to say, no, you used to call on a old still, I know that's what you
Wonderful. You students are interesting. Just a mona munu we on my phone. No, I am to tell you can't tell me for me. I am
No. Never done such a thing.
I feel what? Queen mother of a Joseph. Baby, your family.
What? Can't I ask you a question?
You didn't come to class and you are standing here asking questions.
Some more who are there, Moon said, Move on, both in a door. No one is a phone for number donating. And your mobile dopa. I say, so I'm going for more. Mamma, the phone now, Mamma and Sapper, Mamma, the phone now. No one need number board ever who can move chat. No company but fast.
Kyekyeku. Everybody is set for you in the class. You not see. You are standing here.
They are chopping loud.
One no see where the hawkers is pay me that rubbish. Hey, Kyekyeku. Boha me say boha.
What he just said?
Who is anyone? I want your guy. When your guy, mom, your guy, you home.
Kyekyeku, what is that?
Headmaster, I wanted to suggest something. What is that? Because they took a decision upon themselves and they lied to us, I think they have to weed and then plant it again.
Good. That's a good idea.
So they'll stop lying.
That's good. Take them there.
They need proper discipline.
Very good.
There is no sense in what you guys are saying. There is no sense in it.
Well, you oh, so nimi fear ye. Kyekyeku, boho. Me moho nene maboho china. Me se boho. Me moho. Frank boho.
What are you trying to do?
Asma kan na wano popo. O kwa se popo. Onya guide you kan na say suru. Ma obo na usuru.
Stop making unnecessary noise.
Keep quiet.
You are making unnecessary noise.
Keep quiet.
Why
If you don't go to class, I'll go and inform headmaster.
Oh, check of it. You can't do anything.
Okay. I can't do anything.
Of course. What can you do? You can't do anything. Did you bring me to school?
I swear to God, you people will weed. And you, where's your belt?
Sir, someone stole it at the dormitory.
Huh?
Someone stole it at the
What do you mean someone stole it at the dormitory?
What's that?
You are lucky. If not, doctor's report, I've asked you to weed. Just clear those bushy hair from your hair. Such a man. Come on, follow me. Are you coming or what are you doing?
Yeah, we are coming.
Better. Let them know that you are going to weed.
Kyekyeku.
What?
Do you know me?
Who are you?
I'm the whole school information center. If you don't go to class, I will broadcast you like Angel FM.
You are joking.
Me joking?
Yes.
Try me and see. If you stand here for 1 minute, you see what will happen. Kyekyeku.
Me, I'm going to class. I don't have time for it.
And you better go.
Hey, Kyekyeku. School mu atia wanu bibia hu aba akoka. Me de anyima semo. So person when he comes school man can show. Me more 2 weeks. Good boy practice as him say what be me crown ha. Oh, school have be fear. Hwene ya wo frank kwado ho yembo. Ye man ahwe man. Wo ba yo ho mobo. Wo di Kyekyeku achi. Wo ye de wo ye killer sema na. Wo ye say wo ye killer futa na wo ye man. Ye de asen ho. Ha? Wo no ba we jira ni abeti wo say di na me boy. Akwa ko ntimi wono. Akwa wo ko ya wo so we student a waja tum so you student no. Won kom ye ma teacher fata de mi se na onye teacher ni. Wo ba school me nyina yi hu. Woni sa akwa ba ko bi na o ka ho na ye fe ne so. Ah. Asofo nkwan no mo say omo mo ba ma master num nkwan na mo mo so no pa bia ma master num ene mo sesa mo to nyumaji ara ti ka me se ngam ji ade me ga me nkam ide peer pressure Kyekyeku peer pressure na mo dum hu wura ne ma mo pese mo dum be wura ha mo mienu mo kan wo se me ye hye mo 2 weeks ujan so ani awu me kwa good boy me bona ban ujan wani awu ma mo 2 weeks kuma ma ni nkada oh fuck on ha ni wo ko fani wo ko o si a se no togo mpabo se ayi kila o se togo mpabo me hu bi kwampoda kila da so bo ho ka yamantan ko ye you se no jan no natali wo sei na fi o ye sei sa wa hene ah well me na me hu ye wa woni nye wo ha adwen o hu ye afi ko yin sei sa na o tiam no nka wo tiam sa next press ba ko mi so twere buku kan ka ase
Menyesko yedisko guys, let me show you the easiest way to get money. It's all about one husband. What are you waiting for? It's easier way to get money. Just register with the promo code Vision 2020 whilst watching Peer Pressure series on CJ and get your 200% bonus with your first deposit. One husband, yet the Mosua, nay, I'm solid. Just say, I'm solid. All of a sudden, you go make come like
Sorry, but I did normal. Yeah, what is your? Well, but you know, you can't over me and answer move. It must have been body in me.
Man, we don't like the floor by like. Me alone, so now we are chatting about we are creating pushing. I'm gonna be a dress. Like, why wouldn't maybe man that I need to say for now? Maybe be a kiss be actual. What I say?
Fresh boy, this is all your fault. You don't. How is this my fault? Why do you have to tell Mr. said that the headmaster asked us to read his farm? Now here we are.
Hey, don't, Fresh. This is not time for argument. Huh? Besides, it was better he told Mr. Osei that we came to read in this farm. Huh? Suppose he said to work at and say, you can walk or town. That was coming or cafe. Can't we say the NBC? Huh? No. Some is only second about suspension here.
And then the transfer again here about not just a let's say champion was wrong. Now you to know a partner. You person you sign on. Okay, a new monkey sign on. So what I say. You know, co-partnership. Partnership need to be a nice one.
So like
yeah, connect to us.
It means what one talk they say for job together, no be so.
That's it.
Now there no be problem, but actually, bro, it's a whole lot of story.
Oh, yeah. No. Why are you always supporting Fresh Boy? Why are you always supporting him?
Don't.
Well, yeah, let's say it.
No, I'm not supporting him, but I think this is the best way. This is the better one you are talking of. Huh? Have you forgotten that we are in Form 3?
Charlie, continue.
Form 3 students reading. Does it make sense?
Form
3 students reading.
If I start to tell you what that guy they call high spirit do me, I swear. So me, I make my mind say that can't job with people there, Charlie. I won't do my single job. What I say because so many things. I many panel. I don't know if they won't Nash there. Let's say we don't know.
What's wine?
High spirit.
High spirit.
Yeah.
That guy told to me.
Charlie. So Charlie.
Me no kasa sa ne gano. Then pese obeboli din crampo me no conversation.
Oh. Charlie cha hani gumi na me dey enko. Talk about. Wow, you the crazy. Turn over and read what's that double H? Are you crazy? Check. Kofi and I talk about your school money down. Bigger mouth. You are Bennett.
Yo, tell me. Then what yo?
High Spirit, what did you do? High Spirit, I said it's 50-50.
70-30.
High Spirit, I said 50-50.
70-30.
You are greedy.
Hey, rude boy.
You are very, very greedy.
Rude boy.
What are you talking about? Don't you know half middlemen? And I'm supposed to settle them. You want to eat alone? This job, you have to know. There's a people, you have to settle them. What are you talking about? That guy.
Oh, so I should give you a job. Very nice, rich client. You accepted 70-30, and you are not telling me that you're going to pay 50-50 because the money is in. Hey, rude boy, don't tell me this.
High Spirit. Hey, it's true that I accepted 70-30. But I got to realize that I have middlemen. I have to settle the middleman.
Oh wow.
Yes.
You are my friend. Oh.
So
I trusted you.
I trusted you.
I swear to God, rude boy. If I don't get this 70 deal, me no school muhanum. The battle line.
And no boy.
And
now what that we will get this.
What's the name of boy? What's the name of boy? What's the name of boy?
I speak. So Charlie, that the session.
But they're not. You know, do your body like you be females. What's up? The punishment where we get. Hey, Maka, come on, don't judge Jimmy now, Jimmy no. Minebia. Lie. I'm blessing you say
Oh. When it's a me president me ni share see ya na me crack catch him say there be akwa okwo your enemy. Me crack na catch him say there be nigga na one na bones and one what your biggest enemy on campus you asking.
You see oh. Say you see what happened. You joke oh, bro.
What's your fucking ass Ba me makonzi me na me shobo. Aside alone so me dem say me bo. So me fam some bomb chi nembre me dem me bo am.
Charlie,
me na me wo fa.
You know what? Make I tell you something.
Again, don't. Like, what the worry me the most is why Mr. Osei for the security starts for the whole class inside. I know the bad, bro.
You see, one thing where they worry me. The way Mr. Osei disgraces us in front of princess. Oh, princess, you know how much I'm crushing on that girl, that slim Americana girl. Huh?
Aspirate, tell me so many things, so many stories. But I don't know the day. Yeah, what? So me, what I want to tell you is if you guys be red, yeah, we're not going to repeat the same section, yeah. I want to know they will be all brothers. What I say? As you talk, say when you say my meaning, we need a class same.
Rude.
We job together.
Rude.
Yeah, they need honest people. That's
Rude.
all.
TMD, Makonzi. My mentor was here. A street code. Me 99 laws. What I say? Me the brains of 99. Forget to almost. You pay the phone. I almost suggest the anomane di ni yamo mundi. The akano ni yamo oba. Me no kasa.
Oh shit! Did I hear that you say you feel what? You feel so bad, Charlie, certainly. I feel bad. Disgracing us in front of these people, as if say we don't know who we are.
High spirit, listen to me. It's about time you forgot this uncivilized girl who claims to be from America or whatever.
As I want to school and to bro for crying. You forget, Jimmy.
That is the right English, you know.
US pa California. You pay before.
You know we just mwakutu bi ni yepe enya source a bra ye namu sa. Unim game na ni so dada. What I say?
There are no day. I just say the chance will be cool.
What I say?
So this one we fit post tonight sir.
We foreign account in yepe and it is one so now dey. You do foreign account. What I say? You have see enough foreign account, you have to ma pa you. Ya yes shares obi adem bi e.
No yawa.
Oh yeah then. Oh boy.
Red boy. Who told me?
Oh chiro wow.
Jimmy, bra. Bra. Okay, can I hear? Oh, Asia. I got to book a bremo. I got up here. I said, I'm not going to. What's up? Talk about it.
Talk about it against that.
I got up. Yeah.
So the match alone is over. Come and show. I said, my job to see.
And you're wrong, so I mean, I'm deciding. You only decided.
Someone and I'm intimately said, yeah, I might be once already.
Actually, the other can only make kind of pain. Me and you.
Shall request after pregnancy? Yeah, okay.
That's it.
Next, on peer pressure.
I saw Mr. Boydi and Vivian last night kissing, touching, and holding their private parts like their hands and their legs.
Kyekyeku. Now, Oka se me nku me na phone. Omo ko mo mpe me ni ma show. Omo pese me bomb nche. Omo se me bomb me ho efi. Me bomb nche me di hia na ba be san omo. Share.
Anyway, I bounced onto the mass tutor busily kissing video during preparing hours. Hi,
Princess. Some jokes are expensive. This is your teacher for crying out loud. You shouldn't paint in black.
Hey, excuse you. Do I look like an artist to be painting artworks?
Ew, this is Mr. Boydi in question. Hello.
I have notified that you are not doing well in mathematics. I then thought it wise to organize a special classes for you. What do you make of this?
Anyways, thank you, sir. But I'm not interested. Because nowhere in America is this that. No, I'm not actually interested, sir. Thank you.
K in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Bradian, and one pay your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure, him caught on strong man best string. School girl CP, need to buy open now for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P, no boy, or back class hour, depends on what I'm seeing to the bank. More in break, and Satan about you 240. Peer pressure, if you rose one can't see me never found, yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became Mujagu for the council, trying to 7 flags, I know the other. Sugar mama phone, you date or no didn't come out, what you say, yeah, my papa.
Obiani fear free to ye be tutu. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay. Obiani fear free to ye be tutu. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a befo, peer pressure befo. A befo, peer pressure befo. A befo, peer pressure befo. A befo, peer pressure befo.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure. Pressure.
Obiani fear free to ye be tutu. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay. Obiani fear free to ye be tutu. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay. And that's a befo, peer pressure befo.